In MCQ 38, we want to take a look at each of the reaction to find out which one actually has double bond being converted to single bond. For question number 1, which is esterification, we have an alcohol. So just give ourselves an example of using methanol that comes with the following structure of COH, hydrogen, hydrogen, and hydrogen, reacting with an acid here. Let's put it as methanoic acid, with a C, double bond O, OH, and hydrogen. Now, as mentioned, the one that has more letters will actually cancel out more elements during the act of condensation. So more letters donate more. We will actually be cancelling out O and H. For the case of alcohol, is having less letters, it will donate lesser. So we'll just be cancelling out hydrogen. So the N esters that we're forming, methyl methanoate, will look as HCHH. That comes from the alcohol. And from the acid, a C double bond OH. You can see that the double bond here is preserved and it's not being broken at all. So option 1 is not going to be correct. Now in option number 2, which is actually the production of ethanol from ethene, this is a hydration reaction that comes with the following conditions of 3, 6, 5 as mentioned. It will be 300 degrees Celsius, 65 atm, as well as the usage of phosphoric 5 acid, otherwise known as your H3PO4. So we start off first with an ethene, C double bond C, and all reactions that alkene can go through is actually a subset of an addition reaction that aims to change the unsaturated status of alkene into that of a saturated status by breaking the C double bond C to form a C single bond C. So the additional lines that is extended outwards here would have been attached to hydrogen as well as OH, as apart from having 365 as the conditions, the reagent we're using is going to be steam. And you do definitely see that in this process over here, that's actually going to go from a double bond towards a single bond. So I'll say that 2 is considered to be part of the answer over here. And for number 3, margarine from vegetable oil. All vegetable oil are considered to be unsaturated. And the act of conversion of margarine, and that is from a vegetable oil, is via the process of hydrogenation. That comes with the conditions of 200 degrees Celsius, as well as finely divided nickel. So this will cause us to go from something unsaturated into margarine, which is considered to be saturated. So similar to option number 2, there's also a breakage of double bonds to convert it into single bonds, making C to be the correct answer for 38.